Alright, so the next step here is to take off the center stand, and I've had it on this whole time. Although the book says to take it off sooner, it's just been easier to be able to work on the thing with the center stand on it. So we're finally going to take it off. So there's 4 bolts that hold it on, 2 on this side and then 2 on the other side. So, and that's what we're taking off, 1, 2, and then 3, 4 on the other side. And here we go. So it's a 12mm. These are about the easiest bolts that have been on this whole thing the whole time. Now I'm going to go loosen up the other side. And actually in the process there was another bolt that I've actually already taken off. So in this process we've already taken off one of the other bolts that hold on the center stand, and that's actually part of the CVT. The CVT is held on here with one of the bolts, so that had to be removed to be able to take the CVT off. So really we only have got 3 to remove because of being further along in the process. Here's 1, and we got 2 more. And it's off. So now if I pull up on this, the whole thing should just fall off. And here we go. And there is the center stand. It has been removed. Now I'm gonna pick up the entire engine, take it off of that, and that's it. Of them here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So, and those all have to be removed. So, here we go.